Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to be doing just building a house on Roblox. So if you would like to join this, I think my friend might be in this, who had a shout out last time. And we also, she's going to have a shout out again, sorry guys. And she commented a lot more new things on my other videos that I've done, and I really appreciate it. And now we've got 1 subscriber. Even though it's 1 subscriber, at least I got a subscriber, and that's my first one. So I'm so happy, guys. I was literally so happy that I had one earlier on, or this morning. I don't know when this morning. I think it was, yeah. And yeah, so if you can see it on my notifications bell. Sorry guys, don't look at that. Like a new subscriber, we see it right. If you don't want your username like on Roblox, I'll be speaking to you on Roblox in a minute. So yeah, she might be online, she might not be online because sometimes she's not online. So yeah, I'll see you when I am online. Okay guys, so I'm just going to be clicking on Roblox. You can also play it on Xbox One or whatever you would like to play it on. But I just clicked the wrong one again. Sorry guys. Yep, it is a totally free game. I brought Robux out of real money, which you have to do. But everything else is free. On Bloxburg, you have to pay 25 Robux, which you pay out real money, which I also done. And also, guys, I brought the jacket that Mary's wore and thing. So yeah, 2 people are gonna have a shout out. Yeah, that girl. I forgot her name yet. Lucy, Alexia, I don't know. I'll ask her in a minute now. WHXT, I think that's what it is. Yeah, and someone else. Oh, sorry, I thought it wasn't recording. Okay, so yeah, let's just see if I can join her game. But I don't care which game she's on, as long as it's not like a boring tycoon. I hate tycoons, guys. Guys, tycoon, there shouldn't be such a thing as tycoon. Sorry guys if you made them before, but I don't really like them. They're just kind of boring. I get a lot of friends, guys, because some of them watch my YouTube channel. And yeah, okay, let's just join Kiara, my friend on here, guys. And I'm gonna be speaking to her on this. So I will see you once we are on the game. Bye now, guys. And we are going to be going around the house because we've got nothing in both of them. But I want to do the house because okay, where can we go? What place can we go? No, I don't really like that one. So bye. See that, you guys. I'm just gonna. Okay, I hope that girl joins. Okay, this is what I made so far, guys. It's kind of ugly, but we're gonna be asking someone to build it for us. A, B, C to build my house. ABC to build my house. This is what I always say about houses. Guys, I'm not lazy. I just don't know how to build. It's not my fault. So guys, it's not that full yet. Like, it's not loaded up properly. That there. So as you can see, I'm naked. I got no hair. I'm bald, but my character is not actually like that. Gee, oh my gosh, guys. Build me a cool for YouTube. Actually, ABC for a kid. A kid. Oh my gosh, guys. I wonder where they're all gone. just really like somebody to look after me. I'm only little. I can't look after myself. Okay guys, so we just have to be homeless. Let's just make a homeless shelter. Let's just not fun. A, B, C for A. Ouch, guys. Kid, flat, right. So guys, I'm doing my desk guys, and if you want me to do a face reveal in my next video, just comment down below. Make sure this gets to 5 likes, no 2 likes, and yeah, and then comment down below. Oh my god, I really want a face reveal, and then I will do the face reveal straight away. Okay, so. Oh my god. Okay. Ed, what can you do, guys? Oh no, she's building. I hate it when people are building. Not even allowed to go into the hot light. A kid. Want a kid, mate. Do you want a kid? Hey, donate money. 200. I'll actually give her 1,000. See how nice I'm guys? So you guys are not speaking. Okay, so we got somebody. They just said, add up here. I'm wreck YouTube.